Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I'm going to fix some real easy chicken today. I have a pack of chicken thighs. I have crispy fried onions and a can of cream of chicken. Only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these chicken thighs in a crock pot, let them cook for 4 or 5 hours with the cream of chicken over the top of it. And then when they're done, I'm going to take them out and put some of these crispy fried onions in them and put them in the oven and broil them just a few minutes and let them brown and crunchy. And we'll have dinner done. So you can put this in the crock pot while you go to work. Come home, just take them out, put your French onions on them, and you will have your dinner done. So first thing we're going to do is get the chicken ready. And it definitely doesn't take long to debone thighs. All you have to do is cut beside each side of the bone. And sometimes I like to cook with the bone in it because it does add more flavor. But I just want to get these in the crock pot. Let them be cooking today. As I say, all you got to do is cut down beside each bone, run your knife underneath it, and I usually try to sort of fill a little bit on my bone. Sometimes there's a gristle that will be at the end of a bone, and I just go ahead and cut that out so it won't be there when I get ready to eat. There we go. We'll get our crock pot ready. Lay this, just put it in your crock pot. And I have a can of cream of chicken. And all you got to do is just pour it over your chicken. Sort of spread it over your chicken a little bit. Just a little bit of water in there just so I can get all of this cream of chicken out. That can of cream of chicken soup, half a can of water is enough to cover my chicken. And we're going to put the lid on it. And we're going to set it on high because I'm here all day. If I was going to work somewhere, I would set it on low and just let it cook all day while I'm gone. And then we'll come back in just a couple of hours and see what we've got. And when my chicken gets done, I'm going to take it out, split the chicken open, and put my French onions in the middle of it and put it in the oven and just brown it just a little bit. I'll show it to you in a little bit. Okay, let's see what we have now got. Well, it is definitely done. I can't even pick it up with a fork. I'm doing is I'm going to take it and put it in a Pyrex dish, casserole dish. I didn't really intend for it to cook all to pieces like it has done, but it will still be good, I can assure you. I'm going to get the rest of the juice. As you can, I hope you can see, this definitely come all to pieces. So what I'm going to do now is, and we're just going to put these right on top here. And you can use as many as you want or as little as you want. I'm just going to use the box. I happen to like them. So we're just going to spread it out just a little bit. I'm going to put it in the oven and turn it on broil, and we're just going to cook it just for long enough for the fried onions to get a little brown. Okay, I put it in the oven and I turned it on broil, almost let it stay in there too long, but it does look good, so let's just give it a try. I put a little salt and pepper and we're all set. And it is all it, you don't even need a knife to cut this. It is just so tender. I didn't take the skin off and the skin turned brown, so that is good. And oh, it's really, really good. And again, this is nothing but, I use thighs. You can use breasts, but I did use thighs. French onion, crispy fried onions, Frenchies, and a can of cream of chicken, salt and pepper. I put it in the crock pot and let it cook for, I think it was like 3 hours, all it took. So we're ready for dinner. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and we'll come back and see me again. And this is nothing more but chicken and French's crispy fried onions with some cream of chicken on it. I did let it get a little bit browner than I wanted it to be, but it's fine. And as I say, come back and see me Around the House with Kay and Tom. Bye.